Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to prank your friends with a fake WhatsApp account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can create a fake WhatsApp account to prank your colleagues. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to reach your device, so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your App Store or your Play Store. Now once you open your App Store or your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for your WhatsApp. Now you need to make sure your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business is updated to the latest version. If your WhatsApp is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version so that you don't miss some new features. Now once you have updated the WhatsApp to the latest version, all you need to do is to open your Google or your browser. Once you open your Google or your browser, then you search for this website, Temp SMS. Now once you search for Temp SMS, or you can search for Temp SMS, you can see the link over here. I'll advise you to click on this link. Now once you click on the link, all you need to do is to take your time, and you can see temporary phone number to receive SMS. So you can see so many countries over here. You can see France, you can see so many countries, Poland and all that. Once you click on receive SMS, you can see their numbers over here. Now let's go back. In my case, I prefer USA, so I need to go for United States number, and once you click on that, you can see so many numbers over here. Now in this case, I prefer the first one. Once you have selected the one that you prefer, you can see USA temporary number. Just copy it, and once you click on the copy, you can see number copied. Now in this case, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp. Now once you open your WhatsApp, then you click on agree and continue. Once you click on agree and continue, now you can see it is demanded for your contact. Just click on use a different number. Once you click on use a different number, you have to select the country. So select your country to USA, select United States. So you can see United States here, which is +1. Now in this case, all you need to do is to paste the number you just copied, and once you paste the number, just click on done. And once you click on done, just come back to the website, and you can see the verification code is sent. So in this case, all you need to do is to scroll down, and once you scroll down, then you click on refresh. Now once you click on refresh, you can see the verification code over here. Now just use this verification code to create your unlimited fake WhatsApp account, and you can use this WhatsApp account to prank your friends. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video